welcome to this quick short video to show you how to embed content from Primal Pictures into your LMS. I'm going to select the cell biology module from the anatomy and physiology title. And the first thing I need to do is make sure I am looking at the content I want to embed. So let's say for argument's sake, I want to embed this interactive 3D image over here. What I will do is come down to the embeddable viewer icon. Then it will ask me, do I want to embed text? Embed text means embedding the text pane that accompanies whatever image or 3D model or movie I may be looking at. In this case, let's say I don't want to embed the text, so I won't select that, but just know that you can embed the text alongside it if you want to. You can then choose if you want a product link to be included. This is if you want the link to be below the embedded content so the students can then click on the link, go to the Primal Pictures or Anatomy TV platform, and further explore this information. Then you will select your window size. I do suggest playing around with these to see what works best on the format of your page. After which, you will select your LMS style. So let's say I am working with Moodle, and there you see it automatically generates my iframe code. Now all I need to do is copy this code and then go and paste that embed code into the embed function within my learning management system. I hope that is helpful and gives you all of the information that you need to go and start embedding.